It's important that we share our stories with others, for it is how we further understand the human experience. Hi, my name's Keith, and here's where this story begins. With this COVID pandemic shutting down most everything and putting our livelihoods and our lives at risk, I've been having to kind of reinvent myself. I've been used to working for other people when and where they choose, but that's not happening anymore. Production's shut down and people are laid off. So rather than sitting around being a victim, I decided to find something productive and creative to do on my own schedule.
We are all part of the web of life, and we are all connected. And as we affect a single strand, the whole web is affected.
I saw all these awesome campervan videos on YouTube, and I realized that I'd been missing out on so much. I'm not tethered to an office or a studio anymore. I started looking on the internet and I found this old VW Vanagon that Nick and his dog were selling. I poked around it and crawled underneath. No rust. Well, no big holes at least. God, I love Southern California. Back home in the old country, cars are out before they wear out, due to rain and snow and the salt that they put on the roads. That's the curse of thin tin. But not here in San Fernando Valley, land of the hot and dry. Not great for paintwork, but no holes in the floor or wheel arches. Just a little surface corrosion around the windshield. Should be an easy fix. Needs some new paint for sure. Well, it started with a scream from the power steering pump. Hopefully it just needs some fluid. So I bought it, but then driving it home I realized that the brakes don't work. I couldn't stop. There was no power assist on braking and probably worn out pads. So I had to start with a full brake overhaul. I jacked it up onto some bricks and went to work. I took the calipers apart. The pads were badly grooved and need replacing. The pistons are pretty bad too. I'm lucky I didn't crash. This whole lot needs rebuilding and new brake lines for safety. I need a new top swivel joint and have to use a special tool to get the old one apart. And then the new one just bolts right in. Here are the resurfaced discs with the bearing races pressed in. New taper roller bearings and seals, all ready to be reassembled. I'm reminded of a passage from the book Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. In it, Robert Pirsig writes, "Assembly of a machine requires great peace of mind. Peace of mind is the whole thing. What disturbs it is poor maintenance. The ultimate test is always your own serenity. If you don't have this when you start and retain it while you're working, you're likely to build your personal problems into the machine itself." So with serenity and a tub of new grease, I'll reassemble all these parts and hopefully get this old van working properly again. Here are the discs back on the spindles with rebuilt calipers and new pads. New brake hoses installed. This is the culprit that started it all, the brake booster, which had a vacuum leak and wouldn't boost. This is the old brake master cylinder and reservoir. Here's the new booster in place. This was one of the hardest jobs ever. Just a couple of bolts, but almost impossible to get to. I also decided to put in a new clutch master cylinder, down under here, and again almost impossible to get to. The new brake master cylinder installed, and the thoroughly cleaned out reservoir and the clutch fluid line connected. A new clutch master cylinder installed. A hell of a job that was. All back together and ready for bleeding. There's something very inspiring about fresh new parts. Check the fluid level is good and put the cover back on. A new alternator fixes the charging problem. I put in an instrument pod made by Chris at Uniworks. The voltmeter shows a good charge going into the battery. I need to do something about that power steering pump, and then I can start working on making this old van look a bit better. This is brilliant. The old van's working great now, and the brakes are terrific. One small step for mankind, giant leap for me. Something very satisfying about taking old worn out things apart and making them work properly. Great sense of achievement. My advice to anyone who's going out on the road, especially in an older vehicle, is learn how it works. This is your lifeline. If it breaks down by the side of the road and you can't fix it, you're in trouble. Besides, you can get great peace of mind from knowing how things work and knowing that they're working properly. So arm yourself with a workshop manual and a toolkit, and check the fluids regularly. And remember, jobs may fill your pockets, but adventures fill your soul.